Today's dodgy repair consists of a Philips TV that had 5-volt standby issues. It would shut off after a few minutes of operation due to this chip right here overheating. Now, I tried looking for the issue. I tried even replacing the 5-volt standby circuit with a phone charger because it's 5 volts, but it didn't work because other than 5 volts this line is generating some other voltages which I cannot replicate with a 5-volt standby with a freaking phone charger. So solution, because this TV is not worth a lot, instead of buying a new circuit board or dealing with fake chips from AliExpress, I just soldered a copper wire to the top of the chip to stop the damn thing from overheating. And the freaking TV works. Success!